Welcome. Today, we're diving into a simple yet essential feature of Google Chrome: how to find text on a web page. Whether you're researching or just trying to locate specific information, this guide will walk you through the updated steps to make your search efficient. First, open your Chrome browser. This is your gateway to the internet, where you can explore countless websites. Once you have Chrome up and running, navigate to the web page you want to search through. Next, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. These dots represent the Chrome menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu filled with various options. In this menu, find and click on Find in Page. This action will open a small search box at the top of your screen. You can also use a quicker method by pressing Ctrl+F on Windows or Command+F on Mac. This keyboard shortcut immediately brings up the search box, saving you time. Now that you have the search box open, it's time to write the word or phrase you are searching for. As soon as you start typing, Chrome will automatically begin searching the page for matches. You'll notice that all instances of your search term are highlighted in yellow, making it easy to spot them. Once you've entered your desired term, look at the search box again. It will display how many times your word appears on the page, like 1 of 5, indicating that there are 5 occurrences of that term. Use the up and down arrows next to the search box to navigate through each instance found on the page. Finally, when you find what you're looking for, take a moment to read it in context. This feature not only helps you locate specific information quickly, but also allows you to understand how it fits into the larger content of the web page. And there you have it. With these straightforward steps, you can efficiently use Google Chrome's Find in Page feature to enhance your browsing experience. Happy searching!